Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tad, and Carlos? Right here. And Carlos, who was just eating, what are you just eating? He's interested in what I have today. So we have something extremely exciting today to open up with you guys. I can't believe it. I don't know if you can see it. So it's this box right here. And I'm gonna see if you guys can see what this says right there. If you can't, that's okay. This is my first ever official, like, legit slime shop slime order. I ordered from Slime by Madelyn, who I just loved her Etsy site. She had a lot of really cool stuff. We're gonna open this up and play with some slime, and I am so excited because I watched tons of slime shop reviews and videos and whatnot, and I can't wait to finally have like my own, you know, from a real slime shop. So let's go ahead and grab our scissors and open this up. Ooh, this is exciting and probably not safe. All right. Here's inside. So we have my little list. Oh, that's right. This is so cool. So everything is packaged like really good. This is all bubble wrapped and packaged. This is all wrapped as well. Everything is wrapped like fantastic. So I'm gonna open it up. Now I'm gonna do the initial opening right here, and then once I like actually open the slime itself, I'll do that zoomed in for you guys. And then I have this DIY clay waffle. Oh, so excited. Okay. So cool. So let's see which one this one is. This is packaged really good. I'm really impressed. Just based on what I know from like watching the other slime videos and stuff on like how other people package their slimes, this is considered like the best way to package and ship slime. All right, so here's the top. Now I think, okay, here we go. This is the cinnamon bun waffle, the DIY slime. So here's the slime, and then here is the DIY part. All right, so here is the slime, and then here is the DIY and the DIY clay and the charm. And the charm that we're gonna be mixing in with this. I'm so excited about that. So it's a cinnamon bun waffle is the name. It's a DIY clay slime, and it's a Cinnabon scent. And cinnamon buns are my favorite. Absolute favorite, so super excited about that. Here's our second slime. So here's the top of it. This is the Oreo birthday cake, and it's a DIY butter slime as well, but it's the slime and the cake mix, and I get to mix them myself. So it's cookies and cream scented. You're in the way. Cookies and cream scented. Very cool. Really excited. Love her containers too. They're legit like hard plastic containers with a screw top lid. That's really nice. All right, so here's our next one. All right, so this is a Fishbowl Slime. And where's its little label? It doesn't have a label on it, but it's iced fruit punch Fishbowl Slime. So if you guys can see all the little fruit inside, all little female slices and the fishbowl beads, really cool. Really excited about that one as well. I'm excited about all of them. All right, here is our last slime. This one has our slime, which is a lemon bingsu bee. I think I pronounced that right. Slime, and it smells like, I think lemon or lemonade. Lemon crunch. I've been wanting a bingsu bead slime for like a couple of months now. I don't know why I smelled that. Does it smell? It doesn't. It just makes you want to smell it. But here's this one. And then here is our little extra bag. So it came with her little business card that says thank you, and then like the little like care instructions on like how to, you know, fix it if it's sticky or whatnot, a little bag of borax, and then a free sample slime. And it's actually really, really cool because this is a jelly cube slime, which I also wanted to try. So I'm really glad that that got included in this, because that's fantastic. Now I get to try a jelly cube slime as well. So yeah, so let's go ahead and zoom in and play with some slime. I'm so excited. All right, guys, so here we are all zoomed in. I do want to show you each one individually, so I'll show you the container, then I'll show you like the play and stuff. So I love slime. So this again is the extra. It kind of has like a blue Hawaiian type feel to it, and it has again the little jelly cubes. If you're unfamiliar with jelly cube slime, it's pretty much a clear slime that has these cubes which are made out of like, think of like a magic eraser sponge. It's that, and it soaks up the slime, and then you're able to like squeeze it and like crush it and stuff. It's supposed to be really, really cool. So we're gonna open it and find out. Ooh, look at that slimy goodness. Oh man, so it smells like, it's got like a coconut-y smell. I don't know if it has anything else in it, but it definitely smells like coconut. I mean, look. So this feels awesome. It's almost got like a putty feel to it. Really, really cool though. It's a little sticky, but I don't know if it's just because it needs to be worked and played with. I don't want to add anything to it yet because I feel like it's got a good consistency. But just look at how cool that is. I love the little flowers and the jelly cubes. I'm going to pop one or squish one. It's so squishy. Let's squish another one. Oh, that's cool. So you can see it kind of broke up, and then you can just keep mixing it in. So it has some good clicks to it. Let's see if I can move it a little bit. I don't currently have this set up to do like an overhead view. But look, it's super stretchy. I don't want to break up too many of the little cubes. That's a lot of fun to kind of break those up. That's cool. Unfortunately, this is just the design of the slime. Once you break the cubes up, they're pretty much broken up, and it's and again, this one was free. This came as like a bonus with my purchase. If I remember correctly, I think that she provides a free 2-ounce slime randomly chosen for every order. So that's really cool. So it's really nice that she included that. They don't have to do that, and I think that that's awesome that they're willing to do that. And I think that's really cool that she picked a slime that I didn't have. It wasn't part of my order, so I was able to try out a slime that I was actually interested in but didn't order. So that was really, really cool. I think that's a great idea. So there's that one. So let's move on next to this really cool fishbowl slime. So I've been really interested in these, especially the bingsu bead slimes, but the fishbowl, I've heard really good things about it as well. And apparently it's a very similar texture. This is my iced fruit punch. I think that's what it's called. What I don't know is I don't know why this one doesn't have a label on it, but the other ones do. So, oh, it smells so good. I don't know how to explain to you what it smells like. It's like a fruit punch, but it's like a fruit punch tea almost. I don't know if that's even a thing, but it smells good. So here we go. So This is the same material as our blue Hawaiian slime. Here comes Carlos to look at it as well. Very clicky, very stretchy. And the fishbowl texture is amazing. I love all the little slices in it, all the little female slices, the fruit slices. So cool. And the smell is amazing. I have to say, guys, there is like no fallout so far. Nothing. Not in the jelly cube, not in the fishbowl. Like nothing has come out yet. So that's awesome. Let's go ahead and put this one back. Looks like it inflated a little bit. Look at the little carrot right there. They're so cute. This is awesome. Let's move on to the Oreo or birthday cake. So I'm excited that we get to mix this up. It looks just like an Oreo. And Oreos are my favorite cookie. However, the Oreo birthday cakes are my favorite Oreos. So, of course, I had to order this one when I saw it. Because, I mean, hello. So, really, really cool. Cookies and cream scent. Really excited about that. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is so cool. Look at that slime. Ooh. We have a charm on top. Let's see what our charm is. Our charm is... Oh, I can smell this already. Oh, it smells so good. So our charm is this cute little Oreo. If I can get it all out. It's a cute little Oreo charm. Splashing in some milk. That's awesome. Guys, this smells exactly like Oreos. Also meant to point out, I don't know if anyone noticed it, but there are sprinkles in here too, so hence the birthday cake. But look at this slime. If you don't want an Oreo milkshake after this, then you never do. This is so cool. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Let's pull her out. If I can get the clay. This is my first time mixing clay into the slime. So there it is, our giant Oreo, looking amazing. Ooh. The clay is super soft. Look at that swirl. I'm not as good at swirling it as some other people that do this all the time. It's only my part-time job. Is that another charm? I think I found another one. Ooh, I did! Oh, how cool is this one? This is actually the one I was looking for, but I didn't see it, so I thought that maybe they were out. But this is another little, like, Oreo that's, like, the top layer has been eaten off of it. That's awesome. The smell and the texture on this is everything I've ever wanted it to be. I can't add some little... So cool. So awesome. It's decently clicky, but if I remember correctly, I don't think clay slimes are usually meant to be like clicky. Sorry if I'm shaking the table. It's really soft. It's really spreadable. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see. It's like super, super, super spreadable. I just love that. Stretchy. It feels so good. And it smells. I cannot get over the smell. It smells so good. This is probably the softest slime I've ever felt. And there it is. So cool. All right, let's move on to our next slime. I'll put this one away. Oh, I don't want to. I love it so much. All right, move on to our lemon crunch. Ooh, it's so cool looking. It's so glittery. Oh, and it smells just like lemons. That good lemon smell too. So here's our little charm. It matches the cover. If I can get her out, there she is. So cute. So this slime is also the consistency as our jelly cube and our fishbowl slime. But look at all those beads. Look at all that. I can smell the lemon. It smells so good. All right, the crunch on this is, you guys hear that? Amazing. That's what I wanted. crunch sound is so satisfying. Oops. The texture on this is amazing. So I made it into like a little lemon ball. So cool, so much fun. This one is probably my favorite so far. I just love the texture of it. I love the crunch of it. I just love everything about it. The smell. It's just really, really, really nice. Got some good bubble pops. Again, no fallout whatsoever. No, none. Not one bead has left the slime. Alright guys, on to our last slime for this video. Here it is. The one we've all been waiting for. Well, at least I've been waiting for. It is our cinnamon bun waffle slime. Oh, it smells so good. Like going to Cinnabon. Smells awesome. And here is our little cinnamon bun charm is right there. And our DIY clay waffle. So check out how cool that looks. Oh, it's so awesome. It smells so good. Ooh, I can't wait to smash it. Here we go. Now the consistency on this one is very, very smooth. Very smooth, very stretchy, very amazing. This is the cutest little charm. I don't know where she got these from. But look at this little cinnamon roll. It's so cool. It's so cute. So this one's much clickier than the Oreo birthday cake. The texture on this one is so smooth. and so thick. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. So these are definitely worth spending, and none of these were expensive, by the way. These are definitely worth spending a little bit more than buying them at the store because it's such a better quality than what you can buy at the store. So I definitely recommend purchasing from from an actual like slime shop, and I definitely recommend purchasing from Slime by Madelyn. I will have a link to her slime shop down below, so make sure you check it out and support her because this is really, really good quality slime. This is a lot. This is a lot of slime, and shipping was free after $35, I think, which, I mean, that's fine. I think I spent $42 and I got all of the slime that you saw. So that's a lot of slime for that price, you know, so. So cool. So satisfying. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys had as much fun watching me play with slime as I did playing with the slime. I definitely recommend this slime shop, Slime by Madelyn. It is fantastic, really good quality, really good price. So I mean, definitely check her out. Again, the link is posted below, so check it out. Order from her. It's fantastic. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your friends. If you're not a subscriber, go and click on that upside down robot and subscribe. So thanks for watching.